Hey there, this is K4A, and in today's video we're going to check out how to use Autodesk SketchBook tool, which is called Steady Stroke. Let's go to SketchBook, pick any kind of brush, whichever you like. I'm using pencil. Pick any kind of color you like. I'm using some kind of brown yellow color, and click on this tool which says Steady Stroke. It's next to the Symmetry tool, and don't worry about this number, distance number. We will change and test that later. For now, just check out the cursor. The cursor is same as always, but once you click, it will change into some kind, and drag you, it will change into some kind of line, and our stroke follows that line. So it's like our line is behind our cursor and it kinds of lag behind it. That's not, I'm going to undo this, that's not the error. The whole idea here is that for the smoother results, for more steady, firm, clear results without shaking with free hand, you want to use this tool, and lines will be, as I said, more steady, more firm, more clean. Your cursor, the way you move your cursor either with mouse or with graphic tablet pen, will go further and faster, and the line will follow it behind, like it's like a feedback. Line is behind you, behind your movement, but in some kind of very smooth and natural way, so you can decide make better decision when to stop or when to continue and how to continue, and it makes very easy to make some kind of smooth curves or precise lines and so on. So I use this tool a lot in my workflow. I find it very impressive, intuitive, and I'm very sorry that other premium softwares doesn't have this kind of tool, most of them, because it's really great. So you have to try it to see how it works. But for example, I'm going to make some kind of wavy shapes, and you can see how even when I'm drawing with my mouse, it's so easy to make really clean shapes. Or for example, if I turn it down and try to make a line like this, you can see how it's kind of shaky. It has some kind of like how to say, I'm doing this on purpose now just to show what it looks like in zoomed version. So it makes some kind of, like, I don't know what's the word in English, but when you use it with freehand, but with steady stroke, it's much easier to make straight lines, and all of this can be changed. For example, this distance between your cursor and line, how depending how much you want the distance between those two, and you can change it by typing this number or moving this scroll value to higher value. For example, let's go almost to max, and see now how the distance is bigger. So now I will move my cursor more, and the line will lag, it will go behind me for a longer. You see how long this line is, but this makes even crazier. So you can make some kind of really cool, like whirlwind precise Yeah, I'm here with my mouse, but again it's much easier than with freehand, and I don't use this distance on max. I will try now with 40 was default. Let me try with 17. Yes, I go probably on default, I'm not sure for my, but the whole idea is that this is so great when you, and you can type it when you try it. It's really hard to describe this. So try to make some kind of shapes just for exercise, which would be very difficult for you to make otherwise. And I'm now going very fast, so it doesn't look very precise, but, and also it depends on which tool you use. I'm using some kind of pencil with very high pixel density, so yeah, so it would be much better probably if I use the ballpoint pen. It will be, yeah, it will be much clearer to see. Again, you will use probably these kind of tools for some kind of organic shapes, some kind of ornaments like flowers or elliptical stuff, but also just to connect two lines. For example, if you had some kind of I don't know, again, maybe building or whatever, and you don't want to use rulers or stuff like that, you just want to connect these two lines, these two dots, sorry, you zoom them and then go with this tool, and that's it. Just simple as that. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in a next one. Again, just try these tools. It's very hard to describe some of those, but they are very impressive in workflow. See you in the next video. Bye for now.